Good evening everyone, I am Paul Rafael Mursala and this is a short video explaining the three important things: media literacy, information literacy, and technology literacy. Does this sound complicated? Don't worry, I got you clear. Hey guys, do you know about media literacy? No? So wait, I'll explain it. So media literacy is what you see on social media, TikToks, and even memes. So it helps us ask, is this true or is this biased? So, for example, about media literacy, when you see on TikTok an ad that says, "Wow, this product changed my life. Pumuti ang kilikili ko." It helps us ask if is this paid ads or not. So that is what media literacy is all about. So hi again. So information literacy, it means having the real information. So for example, if you have a quiz about your school or a report, you will not just use Wikipedia or just search. You need to find the real sources. So it's like the real information being discussed. Peekaboo. So I need to explain what is technology literacy. So by the word technology, we already know what it is. This one: cell phones, gadgets, computer, and etc. So in technology literacy, the example for this is like having a strong password for your Google Drive so it will not be hacked. So it's like, understanding much more about gadgets and finding out how it works. So why is it important to have these three important things? So all I can just say is this is very important. So first, we will not get baited by someone who is spreading fake news. Two, we will be more aware of our surroundings, technology, and etc. And three, it helps us improve our society. So guys, in conclusion, media literacy, understanding what you watch or what you read. And information literacy, knowing what info to trust. Is it fake news or is it not? And lastly, technology literacy, all about cell phones and using technology safely and insurely. So in a world full of information, this skill help us make better choice every day in life. So what you see is what you get. So guys, thank you for watching me vlog about media literacy. So now, let me ask you a question. What often do you use? Media, information, or technology? If you want to share, comment down below. And thank you for watching my small vlog. Goodbye.